Second grade friendly letter by Mrs. Talos of Mecca Elementary School, Coachella Valley Unified School District. California Content Standard, Grade 2, English Language Arts 2.2. Write a friendly letter complete with the date, salutation, body, closing, and signature. The contents of this PowerPoint are the pre-test, second, 5 parts of a friendly letter, third, commas, fourth, capitalization, fifth, post-test, sixth, the resources, 7, a tribute to the author, and 8, credits. For the sake of this PowerPoint show, we will look at the 5 parts of the friendly letter, commas, and capitalization. But you may access the pre-test and post-test at www.kuia.com/pop/7318.html. Let's look at the 5 parts of a friendly letter. 5 parts of a friendly letter. First is the heading, second is the greeting, third is the body, fourth is the closing, and last is the signature. The first part of a friendly letter is the heading. The heading contains return address. On the first line is the street address. The city, state, and zip code can be found on the second line. On the third line is the date. The next part of the friendly letter is the greeting. The greeting means hello. Capitalize the first letters of the greeting and make sure a comma follows the greeting. The third part is the body. The body contains the message. Make sure you indent and make sure you have 2 finger space on each paragraph. The fourth part is the closing. The closing means bye-bye. Capitalize the first letter of the first word. Comma follows the closing. The last part is the signature. The signature tells who wrote the letter. Make sure you capitalize the first letter of the name. Remember, commas, name 2 parts of the friendly letter that contains comma. Now you're going to be the editor. And here is my note to the editor. Dear editor, edit the greeting and closing below. Mrs. Talos. Now, let's capitalize. Name 3 parts of the return address that begins with capital letters. Think about it. You got an idea? Dear editor, edit the return address below. Mrs. Talos. This is another presentation to you by Mrs. Faith M. Talos.